Buckaroo!
We interrupt our programming for emergency alert. The United States government and KXLA Channel 3 will participate in this emergency alert. A serious car accident involving the Kardashian family on Wilshire Boulevard has been reported. A minivan, driven by Caitlyn Jenner, formerly known as Bruce Jenner, was involved in the fatal accident with an 18-wheeler truck on Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills. Caitlyn Jenner, Kendall Jenner, Khloe Kardashian, Kim Kardashian and Kourtney Kardashian plus 2 crew members of their show were involved in the fatal accident. All 7 persons have died in this accident. The minivan had run a stale red light, running over and killing a pedestrian before getting hit by a truck driving at a speed of 50 miles per hour. Upon impact with a truck, the minivan flipped multiple times and crashed into an outdoor cafe. Both Caitlyn and Kendall Jenner were not wearing their seatbelts and were thrown out of the vehicle. Caitlyn Jenner landed on a spiked end of the outdoor cafe's guardrail, impaling her head. Kendall Jenner had limped through a glass table, getting many cuts and bruises and died due to the major loss of blood. The minivan exploded with the 3 Kardashian sisters inside the vehicle. According to witnesses, one of the crew members tried to escape the minivan before the explosion, but was too late. The exploding minivan also caused serious injuries to multiple people around the busy intersection. The public and the press are strongly encouraged not to visit the scene at this time. The Beverly Hills Police and the California Highway Patrol are working in the area. The Beverly Hills Police Department and the California Highway Patrol also advise the public not to arrive at the scene due to the horrific nature of the accident. All residents in Beverly Hills looking to travel on Wilshire Boulevard are highly advised to seek alternative routes. All fans of the popular show are highly advised to stay calm as further details come up. There will be a press conference from the California Highway Patrol shortly. Stay tuned to KXLA for more info.